We have to check it for rational numbers. Addition. The basic difference we are taking like a plus b or b plus a. What is the basic difference in all the three parts? Like in case of whole number, these a and b were whole numbers. In case of integers, these a and b were integers. And in case of these rational numbers, these a and b has to be rational numbers. Okay. Now, what we have to check? Well, if we are adding two rational numbers and we change the sequence of addition, whether the answer is same or not, we have to check this thing only. That means alteration of the sequence of addition in case of rational number will not impact the result. What it means? Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative in case of rational number. Addition is commutative in case of rational number. Similarly, we have to check for rational numbers. Now, these A and B are rational numbers. We have to check whether these alteration of the sequence will impact the result or not. Are these two results same? No. So what it means? In case of subtraction, if we alter the sequence of subtraction, it is going to impact the result. That means what? Subtraction is not commutative in case of rational numbers. Subtraction is not commutative in case of rational numbers. Similarly, you have to check for multiplication. Okay. A and B are same that these are rational numbers. We have to change the impact of alteration of the sequence of multiplication. If you multiply, answer will be what? 7 upon 27. And if we reverses the sequence of multiplication, that is 1 by 3 into 7 upon 9, answer will still be the same. Answer will be same. That is multiplication is commutative in case of rational number. Multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative in case of rational number. Now the last part is we have to check it for division. Okay. Again these A and B are rational numbers. Answer will be 7 upon 10. So do you think these are same? These rational numbers are same. So from this we can conclude that division is not commutative in case of rational number. Division is not commutative in case of rational. These two properties like commutative property of rational number under multiplication and division is important as you will be discussing various problem exercise 1.1. These two are more important properties compared to others. One more thing, in case of commutation, you have to stick this thing into mind that in commutation there is what matter is the sequence of addition or sequence of subtraction or sequence of multiplication or sequence of division. So there is very small basic difference between property of commutativity and associativity. In commutation it is the sequence of the operation that matters. In associativity there is a uh, grouping of element that matters. So we'll be discussing property of associativity in next video. Thank you.